8th class students, in the last class we do construction of rhombus and parallelogram. Today class we have to discuss the construction of rectangle, page number 75, exercise 3.4 children. C problem. Construct a rectangle FLAG with the sides FL equal to 6 centimeters, LA equal to 4.2 centimeters. B problem also I will say to you now. Okay, one time just go through this one. So the rough diagram is FL equal to 6 centimeters, LA equal to 4.2 centimeters children. So in a rectangle, according to properties of rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. When FL equal to 6 centimeters, automatically AG is also 6 centimeters. LA equal to 4 centimeters, automatically FG also equal to 4.2 centimeters. Each and every angle is how much degrees children? 90 degrees. Now we are going to discuss the main diagram. Before doing that one, we have to go through the analysis. FL equal to 6 centimeters implies AG also equal to 6 centimeters, since opposite sides are equal. LA equal to 4.2 centimeters children implies FG also equal to 4.2 centimeters. Each and every angle, angle F equal to, angle L equal to, each and every one is how much degrees? 90 degrees. These are the properties of rectangle. Now go through the main diagram. Take the scale. FL equal to 6 centimeters. I have to took this one as this one I taken as 6 centimeters. That is taken as FL 6 cm. Angle F is 90 degrees, angle L also 90 degrees. Take the compass, draw the angle 90 degrees. How like? F is taken as center. Draw an arc as shown in the figure. Here onwards, cut that one. This is how much degrees? You know that? That is 60 degrees. Once again cut this one arc. That is 120 degrees. Draw the, this is 60 degrees, this one is 120 degrees. Draw the angular bisector of 60 and 120. Here onwards, draw one arc. Here onwards, cut the above arc. This is draw a ray Fx. Draw a ray Fx making an angle 90 degrees. Now, FG how much children? 4.2. Now take 4.2 centimeters on the scale. 4.2. Take an end. F onwards, cut this one. This is Fx ray. This intersecting point is named as G. 4.2 centimeters. Now same L onwards with 4.2 centimeters, draw one more arc. GA how much children? 6 centimeters. Take 6 centimeters on the scale. Six centimeters taken on the scale. Otherwise, these leg also we have to took 6 centimeters. Here onwards, G onwards, with 6 centimeters, cut the above arc. Intersecting point is named as A. Join LA and GA. LA and GA. This is 4.2 centimeters. GA also 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. FLAG is the required rectangle, children. So steps of construction. First one, draw FL is equal 6 centimeters as the base of rectangle. Second point, draw a ray FX making an angle how much degrees? 90 degrees. With F as center. Draw an arc with 6 centimeters radius with G as a center. Itla arc draw chesam kabatti. Fourth step, draw one more arc with 4.2 centimeters radius with L as center intersecting the previous arc at A. Fifth step, join LA and GA. Sixth step, FLAG is the required rectangle. This is the construction of rectangle. Hold it. Now the construction of parallelogram, GRAM, GR equal to AM equal to 5 centimeter, RA equal to MG equal to 6.2 centimeter, angle R is equal to 85 degrees. Angle 85 degrees it is not possible to construct with the help of compass. So we have to use the protractor to make that angle R equal to 85 degrees. GRAM. GRAM parallelogram. GR equal to 5 centimeters, AM also equal to 5 centimeter, RA equal to 6.2 centimeter, MG also 6.2 centimeter, angle R equal to 85 degrees. 85 degrees కాబట్టి రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఇట్లా రాదు, ఈ సైడ్కి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు డయాగ్రామ్ ఇలా మారిపోతుంది. చూద్దాం. AM 85 degrees. This is 5 cm, 5 cm, 6.2 cm, 6.2 cm. This is the rough sketch, rough diagram of the parallelogram. Rough diagram of parallelogram, children. Now go through the main diagram. Take GR is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. I have to take the scale here. That is GR 5 centimeter, angle R 85 degrees, children. So 85 degrees is not possible to construct, so that we have to use the protractor to construct this one. 85 degrees. This is right, R is the right side of the line segment. So we measure the angle from left side onwards. 80, 90, 85 degrees. So this is 85 degrees, children, for us. Draw a ray RX making an angle 85 degrees. Draw a ray AX making an angle 85 degrees. Now RA how much, children? 6.2 centimeters. Take 6.2 centimeters on the scale. 6.2 on the scale taken, and R onwards cut this one. Cut the ray at A. This is 6.2 centimeters. So GM also 6.2 centimeters. So that here onwards with 6.2 centimeters draw one more arc. Now AM equal to 5 centimeters. Take 5 centimeter on the scale. 5 centimeter from A onwards. From A onwards cut this one. Intersecting point is marked as M. Now join AM and GM. Join AM and GM, we get the required parallelogram. AM and GM. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeters. GRAM is the required parallelogram. Okay children, steps of construction. First one, draw GR is equal to 5 centimeters as the base of parallelogram. Second step, draw a ray RX making an angle 85 degrees with the help of protractor. Third one, draw an arc with a 6 centimeters radius with R as center intersecting the RX ray at A. Fourth step, draw another arc. So that is intersect the previous ray RX at A. Draw another arc with 6 centimeters radius with G as center. Fifth one, draw another arc with 5 centimeters radius with A as center intersecting the previous arc at M. Join AM and GM. Seventh step, GRAM is the required parallelogram children. These two problems you have to draw and write the steps of construction and post in our WhatsApp group children. Bye.